Looks like Lily left some cleaning materials up on this side. Cooler slash live well slash plastic destroyer. Cleaned. Maybe need a little more elbow grease. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's still a little mildew. But we removed the door to the solitary room. Found a little table pole there. Boy, it cleaned up real nice. I'd say this gas tank goes, well, if it just goes, even if it is thoroughly difficult, this is going to be totally well worth what I paid. Job well done. New developments. So, as you can see behind me here, there's a white 5-gallon bucket beneath the drain hole. And as you can see in the bucket, there's a little dab of water, but it's not green. Now that's important because last night I was emptying out the water in the fuel tank. For some reason, somehow, some way, the gentleman that I purchased this boat from had about 4 inches of water in the bottom of this 160-gallon tank. I don't know if he put it there or if he commissioned someone to do so, but there was a lot of water in there. I was draining it out and I thought, how did all this water get in there? And why isn't there any in the bottom of the bilge? Well, what I'll do is put some green food coloring in the water, fill it the rest of the way up, and if I get some green food coloring in the bucket, then why we have a leak? But there's no green food coloring in the bilge, and the water is plumb full, right up to the top. So for the past 12 hours anyway, I don't see that it's leaked out. The guy said he was getting water into the fuel. I don't think the tank's leaking. I think he had a condensation problem maybe. He may have had some issue with fuel, but I don't think that a hole is the problem. And that bodes very well, because this is a huge deal to cut this deck out, remove these 2 holes here underneath the seats, and re-fiberglass it all in. If I can cut that job out, all I've got to do is put the bilge pump in that I ordered, put the plug in, fill this tank up with fuel after I empty the water out of it, and hit the water. Colt, what are you doing down there? What do you got? Sprayer hose. He's cleaning. Maybe the best news yet is he sold me a boat with a hole in the tank and there's no hole in the tank. So, cross your fingers. We'll see how things progress.